Samajwadi Party leader Abu Asim Azmi has emerged victorious from his Govandi Mankhurd Assembly constituency. The results were announced a few minutes ago by the returning officer. Mr. Azmi has defeated his nearest rival by a margin of 14,000 votes to retain his seat.
The enthusiastic crowd of Samajwadi Party activists spilled into the streets of Govandi as soon as the news of their candidate's victory was announced. Abu Asim Azmi has won Mankhurd Assembly constituency for second time. He is one of the handful Muslim candidates and the only one from his party to have been elected today. Shiv Sena's Suresh Patil wasn't far behind Azmi as he secured around 31,000 votes. The minority leader also faced stiff competition from Congress's Yusuf Abrahani. NCP's Rajendra Wagmare and Majlis-e-Ittehadul Muslimin's Altaf Qazi secured 4th and 5th places respectively. It was a long day for many who had gathered at the counting center since morning. The vote difference between the candidates wasn't much in the initial rounds, but as the counting progressed, it became apparent that Abu Azmi will hold on to his seat. Although Azmi was facing a wave of anti-incumbency, especially over the issues of public hygiene and pollution, his strong base of North Indians and Muslim voters ensured that he remains undefeated. His supporters, on the other hand, argue that he in fact benefited from the developmental work done for the constituency.
अबू आसिम का विकास जीता, अबू आसिम ने पानी दिया, अबू आसिम ने रोड दिया, अबू आसिम ने गली दी, अबू आसिम ने गटर बनाया, सब कुछ किया अबू आसिम ने। उनका हक था जीतने का और उन्होंने जीता।
One of the major issues of this area is garbage and dumping ground, which is causing much distress for the people who are living here. During the poll campaign, Abu Asim Azmi has pledged that he will sort out this problem, and people of this constituency have put their faith in him. Now it's time to see that whether he will act on it or not. With cameraman Dikshit, this is Bilal for KC News.